Hey, love. Just wanted to call and leave a message. I know you probably couldn't answer anyway, so. I kind of miss ya. Not too much, though, 'cause I'm an independent woman, but just wanted to hear your voice. Well, I hope you're having fun. Praying for you. Love you so much. And I miss you. Can't wait to see you. Okay. Bye, babe.
Be my mind. Don't like to think for myself all of the time, and be my soul. Look into these eyes, I know what before. And be my light. Sunrise laughing 'cause we stayed up all night. Be my map. We'll leave with all the treasure we can grab. Ooh.
The girls part? Come on, baby. Give it to me. Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired of trying to feel that, boy? Or do you need more?
Is there something else you're searching for? I'll follow. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself.
Falling Tell me something